That's full throttle,
oh my
baby.
goodness.
That was worth it though, that was good.
Welcome back to Boat Week 2 on the RC Sailors, and I'm so excited to show you the Blackjack. This may look familiar because we've had a Blackjack on the channel before, but it was like double the size. This is a 24-inch Catamaran RC boat. Inside, we have a 2000 kV brushless motor and a 30 amp ESC.
Nice.
This claims to hit 30 miles an hour, so it's not nearly as fast as yesterday's Catamaran, but it's still gonna be fun, and I think this is more aimed at beginners. Let's throw it in the lake and see how it does. It is April, and so we haven't had the best weather lately, but most of all, it's been super windy, and the lake is so choppy today, so if you get this, ideal conditions is way smoother water than what this is. Let's putz it around a little bit. This does have the throttle limit on the transmitter with 50, 75, and 100. Since this only claims to go 30 miles an hour, I thought, well, let's just start on 100.
Yeah, and you're driving on a 3S 5,000 milliamp battery.
It can do 2S and it can take nickel metal hydride. I'll have it linked in the description box below and all the batteries that you can run on this, so be sure to check that out.
I didn't know this could do nickel metal hydride too. Good job reading up on that. I thought it was LiPo only.
I didn't, I just saw it was listed. I think it said 6 cell or maybe 9 cell. Do they make 9 cell nickel metal? I don't know.
We don't do a lot of nickel metal.
No, we don't. We like LiPo.
You're hitting those choppy waves. But in case you're wondering, this is not full throttle yet. Abby's just getting a feel for the boat.
So the thing with catamaran boats, at least in our experience, is they do not have self-righting features like a lot of the RC boats we own have. And I'm pulling a little bit to the left, so let me trim that out a little bit. I think for a second. It's been a while since I've had to trim.
Normally I do all the trimming for Abby, but the one thing you can do with an RC boat is just trial and error. If you turn that knob and it doesn't go the way you want it to, turn the knob the other way and you'll get it. It'll get trimmed up. That's looking pretty good now. But she's driving it, so she knows if it's perfected or not. What we've been talking about is RC boats, especially high performance RC boats, are not quite like your toy grade RC boats. Your first run on the water might take a little bit of trimming and perfecting, getting good feel for it. It's not just put it in the water and go full throttle blast right the very first second. So you guys, you're witnessing a maiden run here. Kind of like RC planes, they take just a little bit of getting used to. That looked like full throttle. Woo!
It started jumping.
I'll trim it.
Anytime it starts jumping, I get a little nervous.
That's all right. You're gonna get full throttle on this one. Oh, it didn't roll. It didn't roll. It's up. It's up.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the antenna's up.
I thought it was upside down.
The antenna's up.
I could have sworn it was upside
The antenna
down.
is, I saw that black antenna sticking
That's
up.
who's driving the RC, someone who literally can't even see.
Yeah. I'll drive it a little closer. You're driving it far away. Yeah, this is just 3S compared to what we were just driving yesterday. 6S, it's half the power and about half the size. Here.
The key to this one is to ease on and ease off, which for me is a little bit challenging.
Yeah.
I like to just gun it and then let go. You'll hear me often well, you'll hear me do that a lot, which is terrible. Don't do that. And then I'll just let go all the time.
Easing on and off, yeah. That was full throttle. That was nice.
I didn't ease off on the throttle though, and that's where all that bouncing came from at the end.
This thing has power.
This is a great budget catamaran option.
Compared to like the big 6S boats.
Right,
yeah.
We've had the 6S yesterday, and then we've had the bigger Blackjack. I can't remember the size, but it's 8S.
I think it's the 42.
42, that's
I'm pretty sure.
It's 24, 42, that sounds about right.
Doubles.
Oh,
right
how did I
here.
just do that?
Looked away for a second. Look at that. It is right there.
I did bring the recovery boat, but I still have my secret weapon from yesterday.
Let's go get the secret weapon.
Well, I didn't need the secret weapon. Let's not fall in though.
The secret weapon was the wind.
Yeah, the wind.
On our side.
That's cold.
We're ready for boat season. See, boat season for us, it's a little bit of a challenge because we like to get the boats out almost before boat season. Yeah. And the water's cold. We like playing with our boats in the summer.
We get a little excited once warm weather starts to show itself. Ooh, it's hopping now. I think the wind picked up.
The wind has picked up and it is just bouncing out there. Yeah. You guys can probably start to hear the wind.
You know what, Nate? You need to drive these.
Yeah, okay.
You did so much better with the other catamaran than what I did.
All right, I'm excited.
You need to do it.
Am I a wimp if I start on 75?
Yes.
Okay. That's full throttle.
Oh my gosh, you're crazy.
I felt it, so I eased off very quickly. It's the wind, Abby, it's the wind. Yeah. Look at that hop.
Ooh!
Oh, no!
Oh.
You're more of a pro than me.
There's the walk of shame now. Now we're definitely gonna need our secret weapon. That's a nice shirt, Nate.
That shirt is a nice shirt, isn't it? Guys, we're actually having some troubles. They should be linked below our videos, but for some reason, for some people, you're not able to click buy. What I've heard is you can buy them on a computer, but not on your phone. So we're gonna get that sorted out. But for now, just ooh and ah.
Looks so good.
Oh, nice.
Row of shame.
This is worse than the airplane walk.
It is, it's longer.
Oh, you're lower to the ground. Oh, it's gonna get in the grass.
Oh yeah, it's almost there. Took us too long. You can still get it. He was making fun of me for not reaching in the kayak to flip it over. See how brave he is. So he's better at kayaking than I am. Oh, he reached in. He didn't even have to lean. He's got such long arms. All right, here you go.
Thanks.
Good job. Oh my goodness.
The wind, Abby.
Yeah.
You're right, you just can't see it. Oh, the issue is like turning your head in.
Yeah. Woo!
I was full throttle just for a second. I can't see.
I told you it was difficult.
Come on.
That was impressive. It did. So one thing with catamarans is you have to have a way to rescue them. So keep that in mind before you ever buy a non-self-riding boat of any kind, is a way to recover it. Just makes life a little bit more interesting when the boat flips upside down, that's all. Ah! Oh my gosh, you're fired! That's 3.
That is 3.
I told you it's hard to do it in the kayak.
Wow.
I told Nate he's fired. But yeah, he's not coming back to give me the transmitter. It's a little too rough for it today, yeah. We got a boater getting ready to go out, and he thinks it's really cool. Which it is. But he's right, it's a little too rough to be driving this today. It is going up. Oh my gosh, the wind is just picking it up. We'll have to redo some of these catamarans on a like more smooth glass lake type day. Oh my goodness, it is hopping. Woo! I think Nate's having fun though. Look at that! That is wild.
Whoa, the top came off.
Oh, the top came off?
Almost.
Is it so it like, the hatch like lifted? Did you not get it on there good enough? He must have not screwed it on tight enough. Oh, I guess he's not gonna go in. He must have decided it was too rough. You want me to fix it? Let's see. Okay, so it has these 2 little, I can't think of what these are called right now, but they have the 2 little things that are supposed to go in, and somehow those crept out, and there's water in the boat because that happened.
Probably on a hard hit, those pegs came loose.
Pegs, that's the word.
Pegs.
I couldn't think of it.
So the reason it was popping a wheelie like that is because it's holding a lot of water, I'm sure. So on that hard wreck we had, this came loose and I couldn't see that it was loose. So what's happening?
So this one might be one that we need boat tape for, right?
No, I think the reason it was popping the wheelie is because it got water in there.
And we didn't notice this was coming off?
Right, and there's a little plug back here too.
Yeah, there is, a drain plug in the back.
Okay, so now, oh look at that, we can just use that little, well that was out of the hose. Okay, I'm just getting soaked now. The water is not warm, by the way.
Well, you're in the boat of shame right now, so.
This is the boat of shame. It wouldn't be so shameful if I had a cool RC boat tied at the front of it pulling me around, would it?
You know, a lot of people have asked us to do that.
I think it's going to run better with that gallon of water out of it now.
Yours was like running. Your whole run was like the... It looked cool.
Okay, let's see. I think it's going to run better now.
There we go. Oh my goodness.
Now it's getting up. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get some blasting. Full throttle. Ow! It's just a stunt boat.
You guys, it is so choppy that the guy that was gonna dock decided not to even boat. So he brought his real full-size boat all the way out here just to turn back around because it's so bad out today.
Well, we're the TheRcSaylors and we brought the kayak out, so we don't care. Wanted to see. Oh. It handles about, I'd say I can go about 75–80% throttle. I backed off because I didn't want to get soaked. Abby, this is a fun boat. We just got to come back on a calm day.
Now when do I get to drive again?
It's very fun if I just don't go full throttle. Let's see. Let's be very scientific. 75%. That's full throttle on 75%, so I do believe I was going faster than 75% throttle. But here's full throttle on 75% again. Woo! I didn't want it to hit me. 75% again. Full throttle. I'd say that's about as fast as we want to go today, but I'll kick it back up to 100. And I think I can go a little bit faster. That's full throttle.
Woo!
I hit full throttle. Go again. That's full throttle,
oh my
baby.
goodness.
I got soaked. That was worth it though, that was good. So we're hitting it, we're just waiting on this calm little spot here. Full throttle. No! Okay, Abby, I'm ready to get out of the kayak.
Alright.
So you guys saw the water test, basically. I mean, we flipped it, we hit really hard. We hit so hard that these little metal pegs came out of the front of the boat.
It just seems though that like the hatch might be just a little too small. Like it's not.
There's a little gap there.
It's not completely watertight.
It's from the hose inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe a little boat tape would benefit this one, but that bright red, you just can't beat it. 3S is very fast for 3S. It's still very powerful, brushless system, water cooled. Bright red is easy to see, but you either need a recovery boat in case you flip, or a full-size recovery boat. That's the downside to a catamaran style RC boat. But this is awesome. We're having a great time with RC Boat Week on the TheRcSaylors. Abby, this has basically been your week to get back in front of the camera, and I'm grateful for it. And for that, I thank God to have a wife that shares this awesome hobby with me. One that I love very much. I'll be the wife. I'll leave it up to everyone else to decide.
Oh, that's mean.
The wife. I want to say a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters too, because we couldn't do our channel without all of your amazing support. And if you want to support us and slap some TheRcSaylor stickers on your RCs, we'll have our Patreon page linked in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye.